Okay, ready? Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh! It basically says alright. This is going to be one of the best days of my life. I'm so speechless. Yeah, I know my hair is a bit messed up because the weather today is really hot. So we bought the computer. We found one. Absolutely. I'm going to reveal the computer later at the unboxing. Though we are at Vista Mall. So we're there. It's lucky that I was allowed to go in, because you're not allowed to go in, but I went in. Maybe I look like more than 21 years old, but I got the computer, I went in, and the computer was awesome. Alright, should we have an unboxing? I am so excited. I'm probably the happiest boy on this planet Earth right now. I see you on my floor of my room, because my room is small and my table is small. So I'll show you the computer in 3, 2, 1. It is a Asus ZenBook series. It's a ZenBook 14, to be honest. Let's unbox it. Alright. Coming off the box, you have. Okay, never mind. You open it like this. I don't know how to. Okay, ready? Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh! It basically says. Yes, it does says that. Now, let's open this part. How do you open this? Now, this is the maximum amount it can open, so it's like 45 degrees. Now let me open this part. This is a bag. So we have a bag first. We don't have a backpack, but it's a computer bag where you store the laptop. Let's put that on the side. I'll put this back carefully. Alright. Here is the computer itself. I'll just oh! Okay, I'll leave it to the side because I have other things to do. So carefully there. Next, we have some things to do now. We have some paperwork. This should be the user guide. We put it on the side. We have a warranty card. That's there as well. I guess I'll open this part. That is a charging cable. That's unexpected to see. It looks like a phone cable, to be honest. That's all we have in the box. I know it's little, right? But the surprise comes later when we open the computer. Let's see what's inside here. Nothing else, right? Nothing else, yeah? Nothing else. Alright. Close the box. Alright, I'll close the box. I'll put that in the side. Alright. Now, the laptop itself. I am so excited. You can see me laughing. My skin is basically going so upward my face. My face looks like an alien. Okay. Alright. Opened. That's the laptop. Alright, I'll just open it. Alright. Open it like this so you can see it. Now, I show you the Asus ZenBook 14. It's a 14-inch computer. I know it's not really big. In fact, it's so small. It looks mini. I'll just open it, show you the inside of it. Alright, I'll get this piece off, and you can see that is the computer. That is the computer. Now, I can't believe I'm holding this. I'll close this. Okay, this is an interesting fact about this computer. So, it does this. When you open it, it lifts off. You can stick a finger in it. It lifts off the computer to give you a better angle of typing. Now, the specs. Let's talk about the specs. I'll just close it a little bit there. The specs. It has a intercore i7 processor. It's fast. It's fast. It's unbelievably fast. Now, i7 processor, right? Let's go to the sheets book. It should be over here. It has of course, a Windows 10 Home. It's a UX433F model, so it's one of the high-end ones. It has a hard drive of 512 gigs, 512 gigabytes of storage, and it has a 16 gigabyte of RAM. Put this aside and let's open the computer, shall we? There it is. Put it in the middle. Opened. Okay, you can see there. Alright, I'll just open it. That is some interesting things about this, yeah? It's amazing! Look at that, mate. The bezels are so slim. It's so slim. Look at the bezels, mate. Look at that. The bezels. And the screen is not matte. It is actually glossy like the ones in the phone. I think it's touch sensitive, isn't it? It's not touch sensitive, but look at the bezels, mate. Look at it. The bezels on this computer is so slim, you can barely fit anything through it. Alright. So here is the camera. You can barely see it. I can't believe this day. I'll just close it, alright? I'll close it. Put this on the box, alright? That brings us today to the unboxing. Finally, the unboxing of my new laptop, the Asus ZenBook 14. Absolutely gorgeous, awesome, exciting, and just, oh my gosh. So guys, that brings us to the ending. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. I am so happy today, right now. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe. I'll appreciate it so much. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to watch and stay tuned for the reviewing video of this laptop. Thanks for watching.